Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download pipeline reports from HubSpot Sales, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download pipeline reports from HubSpot Sales, first, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Sales dashboard by clicking on the Sales tab at the top of the screen. Once on the Sales dashboard, locate the Reports option in the left sidebar. Click on Reports to open the Reporting section. In the Reports section, look for the Pipeline Reports. Select the specific pipeline report you want to download. After choosing the report, review the details to ensure it meets your needs. Click on the Actions drop-down menu typically located at the top right corner of the report. Select the Export option from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. Click the Export button to initiate the download. A notification may appear confirming that your report is being prepared for download. Once the report is ready, you will receive an email with a link to download the file. Check your inbox for the download link. Click the link in the email to download the pipeline report to your device. Open the downloaded file using your preferred spreadsheet software to view the report. Review the data and make any necessary adjustments or analyses as needed. You have successfully downloaded the pipeline report from HubSpot Sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.